Now it's
How do you say in Filipino, good morning?
good morning. Magandang umaga.
Maganda ka maga?
Yeah, that's why. Magandang umaga.
Maganda ka maga.
Yeah, that's right. Good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Magandang tanghali.
Oh, big.
Yeah. See, very difficult that one. Yeah. Magandang tanghali. Yeah.
Tagahani.
Tanghali.
Tagahani.
Yeah.
Maganda
Yes.
tagahani.
Yeah. Tanghali. Tanghali.
Tagahani.
In the evening or this same time now, magandang hapon.
Maganda ka hapon.
Yeah, hapon. Yeah. Magandang hapon.
Until 6 o'clock, good afternoon.
Yeah. And after 6
After 6, good evening.
good evening, yeah. Yeah. Magandang gabi.
Maganda gabi.
Yeah.
Little bit easier.
Yeah. Magandang gabi. Yeah. This how are you? Kumusta?
¿Cómo estás?
Yeah,
Same like Spanish?
Yeah, kumusta?
¿Cómo estás? Italiano.
Yeah. Then say mabuti. It's fine. Mabuti.
Mabuti.
Yeah.
¿Cómo
Right.
está?
Mabuti. Mabuti. Kumusta mabuti? It's fine. Yeah, right.
Paperi. Italiano.
That's why Thursday. That's why traffic. Because it's Thursday.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's why traffic.
Oh, Thursday.
Yeah. Thursday, this day.
Yeah.
That's why.
Tomorrow, less traffic.
Yeah, Friday.
A lot of people not coming.
Yeah, they will not work.
Tomorrow working or?
Yeah, we have.
Do you have work?
We go.
Good for you.
Yeah. We go. You go for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
7 days.
Yeah.
Maybe 8 days. Something.
8 days? Over. It's over.
We'll create it. We'll do the world into 8 days now. We'll extend it one.
It's over. It's this. Maybe it's we will going America. How many days here?
From different from Toronto.
Yeah, from Toronto.
From Toronto is like maybe 6 hours, 5 hours.
Oh,
Vancouver is border.
yeah.
Even from Toronto is there is a border. What they call this? It's very close from Toronto. 2 hours.
2 hours. Going border.
Maybe 6 hours for New York.
Oh, very near.
Yeah,
But here,
very close. From here is a little bit far.
maybe one day travel.
1 day. Yeah.
Yes,
By-
very far.
by drive. Yeah.
Yeah. But the border here is maybe here, near also for hours.
No, from here from Alberta.
Yeah.
From Calgary is far.
Ah.
But from Alberta is there is a border.
Ah.
Some area. When you drive like 7 to 8 hours,
See.
is close to the border.
Here. Very far also.
Did you hear what he said, the Trump guy?
No.
Oh,
Maybe it's close now.
he said Canada will become America.
It's good.
He said,
You agree?
me, I'm agree.
Yeah,
But,
because you
but
if you
the white people they don't agree.
why?
Canadian. Canadian?
Yeah.
The real Canadian?
Yeah.
No. They
Oh.
say, oh, that means the same like sleeping in the fire.
Oh. Oh no.
One big leader they said that one.
Yeah.
Because the white people
Yeah.
is they have everything, right? The power, they are rich, all of them,
Hmm.
so they don't want to join to America.
Ah, yeah. That's
But
right.
the middle class, like me, like you,
Yeah, it's
is
okay.
If you become the American,
yeah.
is more easier.
Yeah, it's good. So we can go easy to America.
Maybe they will fight one day.
Ah.